Yo, what's cracking YouTube? Of course, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know we back up in this thing with another video. It's Wednesday, baby. Hump day.
Leslie, guess what today is?
It's hump day.
Woo-hoo! Hump day!
Get happy.
Yeah.
Get Geico.
You know what I'm saying? A lot of things happening in the world, baby. A lot of things to talk about. But before we do, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you holler at your boy in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Talk back, baby. As we proceed to give you what you need, it's Food Gang TV. Let's get it. Oh, so, you know, another light day in the sneaker community today, man. You know, we got a couple of images, you know, of the Airmax 90. You know what I'm saying? The real Viotech colorway, man. Coming out on your boy Q birthday, August 29th, man. The GOAT birthday, man. You know, Virgo Nation stand up. You know what I'm saying? That is also Michael Jackson's birthday. Love him, hate him, whatever you feel. He a GOAT. Therefore, I am a GOAT. You already know what time it is. But, you know, we got those things coming through. You know what I'm saying? I think this is the colorway that, you know, we've all been waiting for. Really dope. You know what I'm saying? It's nice to see Air Maxes really doing their thing out here and coming into prominence. That is absolutely a colorway I will be looking for. I mean, it's a dope shoes coming out on my birthday, man. How can I resist? Next up, we got the young, you know, Nipsey, you know, Hussle collection, man. We got some information, you know, about the Nipsey Hussle collection, man. That's supposed that is forthcoming. That you know, we've all been anticipating, man. You know, I'm excited. I think this is probably going to be the most. This probably got to be one of the most anticipated Pumas ever, and that's saying a lot. But you know, it got to go hard for the homie, the late great Nipsey Hussle. I mean, I definitely will be going for, you know, that collection. We haven't really seen images of it. You know, there have been no leaks. You know, that's very rare, you know, for a collection to be that kept under wraps. You know what I'm saying? Especially in this day and age where everything is leaked. But I mean, that is definitely one that, you know, I'm super excited about. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure all the Nipsey Hussle fans out there are going to be excited about. This will probably be the first like Puma shoe that you ever needed a bot to really have a chance to cop it, man. You remember those like blue, you know, and gold Hirachis from a couple years ago? Like, all of those things are going for tremendous amounts of money. You know what I'm saying? And it's all crazy just in the spirit of everyone wanting some type of product that's closely linked and aligned with the late great Nipsey Hussle. This collaboration is sure to be no different. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be extremely hard to cop, so, you know, make sure you keeping yourself tuned, you know, with the information as it comes out. September 5th is the date. You know what I'm saying? We all anticipating. And I mean, Nipsey Hussle was a fly dude, so I'm sure it's going to be fly, and I'm sure it's going to rep his hometown. I can't wait to see it. So Nipsey Hussle, September 5th, be on the lookout for that. Also, you know, we got those UNC things coming out, you know, the Jordan 1s. So we just got through the female, you know, black toe ones, you know, last weekend, which are going for stupid amounts of prices, you know, stupid prices out here. Now, couple, you know, following weekend, you know, we got these, if not this weekend, definitely next weekend. But we know we definitely got the UNC, you know, I'm going to call them the Obsidian ones, man. You know, because it's still in that colorway, in that same vein as the Obsidian 12s. It kind of reminds me of that colorway a little bit more closely. You know, and, you know, yo, that's the best non-OG Jordan 1 that I've seen this year. That's definitely one to have, especially, you know, if you haven't gotten any of those, you know, sky blue, you know, Jordan 1s, you know, the navy blue Jordan 1s, or any of those, the blue Jordan 1s, man. That's definitely going to be a picker-upper. You know what I'm saying? You know, those prices are starting to skyrocket too. So if you really want those things, be on top of it, be on top of your apps, and definitely go for it. You know, September is going to be a crazy month. You know, we got a boatload of Yeezys. Of course, we about to get ready to get back into the swing of things, you know, with the Bone, you know, 500 scheduled to release this weekend. You know, exclusive to Adidas consortium stores, and really just Adidas and, you know, Adidas, you know, original stores across the country, which, I mean, I guess that's to build some sort of hype for that particular colorway. But yo, I mean, you kind of already did it already. Should be interesting. But if you want those things, make sure you're paying attention to Yeezy Supply, Adidas.com, and of course your local Adidas original stores. You know how that's gonna go. Shout out to y'all who are going after that shoe, and good luck to you. We also getting back into reflective season, a bunch of 350s. I showed you all yesterday that new model of the Yeezy, 500 highs, which I definitely like. And it's just gonna be lit. We got Saccade Waffles 2.0s, the black, the whites, you know what I'm saying? And also that crazy pink and green and orange colorway, accompanied with the blazers. That's coming this month, the 12th, you know what I'm saying, to be exact. You know what I'm saying? I definitely got, the orange things. You see my IG, you see those things all over the place. It should be a nice pickup. I will tell you this though. If you really want that shoe and you're not sure if you're gonna be able to get that joint for retail, I would recommend going for it before, it actually comes out. So with the OG, waffles, they came out, you can get a pair of those for like $300, $350. Now them joints are like $500 and getting closer and closer to out of that, affordable range, man. So if you really want these and your chances of getting them for retail is slim to none, I go after them now. But that's just me. Yo, so that's it, man. That's it for the shoes. We talked about a couple of releases coming up. Hey man, the world going crazy about Chick-Fil-A versus Popeyes, man. I've been trying to tell people for months, man, since May. You know what I'm saying? The Popeyes sandwich is the truth. I love me some Chick-Fil-A. That Chick-Fil-A sauce. But yeah, Popeyes got it right now. I ain't never ate a choke sandwich with no lettuce, tomatoes, or nothing in my life, and it just been that good. So if you haven't tried that Popeyes sandwich right now, go ahead and do that, man. You won't regret it. You know what I'm saying? But hey, man, it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You know how we rocking around here at Flu Gang TV. I appreciate y'all for rocking with the kid. You know what I'm saying? You already know how we do. Gang, 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 gang. Yeah.
This Chicago.